Hello, my dear students. A set of new important GAT quantitative questions. Let's get started. Question 1, root 27 plus root 3 all squared. How can we answer a question like this? If you have root 27 in the exam, you can replace it with 3 root 3. So it's a 3 root 3 plus root 3 all squared. Now you can add 3 root 3 plus root 3. You know that we cannot add root 27 plus root 3 directly. You have to change root 27 into 3 root 3. Now we have 3 root 3 plus root 3. It will be 4 root 3 all squared. Then distribute the exponent. It will be 4 squared times root 3 squared. So 4 squared is 16 times, you know that you will cross the square root to the power 2, so it's 16 times 3, which equals 48. So the answer is C. Let's move to question 2. How many rectangles can we form from the adjacent shape? So we want to count how many rectangles. We have a method to answer this question. Just write the number of rectangles in this column. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the number of rectangles in this row: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If you want to add from 1 to 6, it will be 1 plus 6 over 2 times 6, or you can add manually. It will be 1 plus 2, which equals 3, 3 plus 3, which equals 6, 6 plus 4 equals 10, 10 plus 11, which equals 21, times 1 plus 2, which equals 3, 3 plus 3 equals 6, 6 plus 4, which equals 10. So it's 21 times 10, which equals 210. So it's C. Let's move to the next question. Question 3. Tamara has 2,897 reals. She spent 10% of it. What is the remaining amount? You know that you can round this number or estimate this number. 2,897, it's 2,900 or 900, like this. If you want to calculate 9% of this number, just eliminate 1 0, so it will be 290. So 10% of this number is 290. We want to find the remaining, just subtract 290 minus 2,900 minus 290. It will be approximately equals 2,600. So it's B. Question 4. A company produces 8 cars in 32 days. How many cars produced in 24 days? This is direct proportion. You have 8 cars in 32 days. So in 24 days, it will be what? You can write the number of cars, X, and use cross multiplication. X times 24 divided 32. So X equals 8 times 24 divided 32. Then start to simplify. Divided 8 equals 1, divided 8 equals 4, 24 divided 4, which equals 6, so the answer is D. Question 5. Find the area of the smallest 5 triangles. You have big rectangle with dimensions 8 and 4. You can find the area of all of this rectangle, which is 8 times 4. You know that the area of rectangle is length times width, so it's 8 times 4, which equals 32. This is the area of all of the rectangle. Now we will count how many small triangles that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have 8 also here. So we have 16 triangles. To find the area of each one, it will be 32 divided by 16. This is the area of each triangle, which equals 2. If you want to find the area of 5 small triangles, just multiply 2 times 5, which equals 10. The answer is B. Question 6. Abdullah read 3.5 pages in 12 minutes. How many pages will he read for 1 hour? You know, this is also direct proportion. 3.5 pages in 12 minutes. and we want to find how many pages in 1 hour. You know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. Instead of using cross multiplication, you know that 12 times what equals 60? 12 times 5. So we'll just multiply this number times 5 to find the number of pages. So 3.5 times 5. This is the answer. You know, you can multiply 3 times 2, it will be 6, plus 1, it will be 7. So this is 7 over 2 times 5. So it's 35 over 2, which is 17.5. The answer is C. Question 7. Ahmed, Saud, Fahd, and Faisal ran a race. The paragraph below give each boy's running time in seconds. How many of the boys ran the race in less than time than the average of the 4 running time? So in this question, you have to find the average at the beginning, or the mean. What is the mean? Just add the numbers, divided their numbers. So to find the average or the mean, you'll just add 81 plus 84 plus 62 plus 94 over their number, which is 4. By adding, it will be 321 over 4. Then divided, 32 divided 4, it will be 8. 1 over 4, which equals, I think it will be 0.5. So it will be 80.1 over 4, as we said, 25. So the average is 80.25. So how many boys in the race less than the average? How many boys less than 80.25? We have only one, which is, his name is Fahd. So the answer is 1. Question 8. What is the percentage of increase between Shaban and Ramadan? You know that to find the percentage of increase, just find the difference over the original times 100. So the difference between Shaban and Ramadan, this is Shaban, which is 4. This is Ramadan, which is 10. The difference between them, 10 minus 4, which equals 6, over the original, which is 4, times 100. Divided 4 equals 1, divided 4 equals 25. Now we have 6 times 25, which equals 150, and don't forget to write the percentage. So the answer is B. Question 9. Compare between the cube root of the cube root of the cube root of 2 raised to the power of 9, B, the cube root of 4. You know that the cube root, if you have the cube root of x, this is the same x power third. So you can write all of this as 2 power 9 raised to the power of third, all to the power of third, because we have 3 cube roots. Now, if you have several exponents like this, you can multiply all of them all together. It means that you multiply 9 times third, times third, times third. You can eliminate 3 times 3, which is 9 with 9, so the answer is third. So all of this expression is 2 raised to the power of third, which is the cube root of third, of the cube root of 2. Now we have the cube root of 2 and the cube root of 4. I think B is greater. Question 10. In the opposite figure, find the value of x. You know that the sum of measures of the exterior angles of any polygon equals 360. It means that you will just add all of them and the sum equals 360. Now we will add 2x plus 2x is 4x. 4x plus 3x, it will be 7x. 7x plus 2, it will be 9. 9 plus 3, which equals 12. So we have 12x. This sum equals, as we said before, 360. Divided both sides by 12. 36 divided 12 equals 3. Write down this 0, so the answer is 30.